Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to send payment request on PhonePe. Firstly, if the person you want to request money from isn't saved in your contacts, don't waste time searching. Instead, open the PhonePe app and tap on Request Money. Enter the recipient's UPI ID manually and specify the amount, then send the request. Using the UPI ID avoids errors and speeds up the process, especially if the person uses multiple numbers. PhonePe lets you track your requests easily. You'll get an instant notification once the recipient accepts or declines the money request. Open the Transactions section to monitor the status of any pending requests. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.